What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Rosh Reviews, and we are back out here in Melbourne, and we have got something pretty special here. This is 32, not a GTR, kind of a GTR, still got an RB20, but this thing, I tell you, it's hectic. So we're out here with the owner, Griff, and brother, thank you for bringing the car down.
Thanks for having me on the channel, man.
Look how clean this 32 is, man. Like, it's wild. And again, I see wide arches on the back. Like,
Yes, so it's not your standard GTST.
no, this is definitely GTR spec. But we have still a RB20.
Still got an RB20 under the hood, yes.
This thing looks absolutely mental. Yeah, just, I mean, I guess just what are the basic sort of mods?
So basically, it is still an RB20, still full standard bottom end. It's basically just all head work and all bolt-ons. So basically, we were going to go the standard, 25 and do all that. But when we pulled this out of the car, we stripped it down. Everything was in really good working order. So I was like, we're going to be different anyway and try to turn this thing into a look-alike GTR. And obviously, as most of you guys may know, that 20s don't run VCT. So obviously, when you do the 26 covers, you don't have to cut a hole out. So I was like, let's just with the 20 and see, what we can get it to do, basically.
Man, it looks beautiful. Makes all the right noises, which we'll soon find out.
It does.
And yeah, I mean, still, what were you saying? 340?
It's about 340. That was on basically on the rollers, and it was just doing a burnout. So
yeah, rear wheel drive, guys. This thing it's not GTR, so it's not all wheel drive. It's rear wheel drive, which I say is more fun, anyways.
Absolutely.
And 340 kilowatt the wheels, man. That's a healthy street number, especially in a light car like this.
Definitely. No, it's more than what I need for now. Like I said, it's just a weekend cruiser for shows. Put the kids in the back and take them for a squirt. But it's basically it's had all the head redone. It's got valve springs, head studs, oil pump gears, obviously high mount turbo, 3071, plasma man intake, cooler, exhaust, catch can, just all the basics.
It's had all the fruit thrown at this thing, and it sure looks like it. So yeah, let's fire this thing up, get on the road, because
let's do it.
It sounds absolutely mental. Let's go. Oh man, now in this 32 GTR replica, bro, again, you don't see many 20 DET, RB20s getting done like this.
No, definitely not.
That's really the crazy thing. And again, 340 rear wheel kilowatt that's a healthy street number, man.
Yeah, definitely.
So, and this thing definitely makes all the right noises.
Definitely makes all the right noises, that's for sure. I don't know, for some reason, I just reckon 20s sound more like a 26, when obviously when a 26 has got a big single turbo.
Yeah.
I don't know, I just find the 25 sound a little bit different.
Man, it rips, hey.
It does. Oh, I love it.
That's sick. Because what were you saying before? You're saying that you've done something with the manifold, or like?
Yeah, so I was running a 6 boost, which 90% of people, especially in Australia, that are running RBs and Barras and stuff like that, are running 6 boost manifolds. But I actually came across a company in, I think they're in Austria, and they're called HKS Fabwork, and they've basically replicated the old HKS manifolds of the RBs. That kind of make them sound like that Too Fast, Too Furious Walker.
Man, when we first jumped in this, I was like, oh, that's definitely making all the right noises, hey?
Yeah, yeah. So I wanted to try and get that noise for so long, and the only thing I could really find was these old school HKS manifolds. From what I understood, they literally only would work on a 26.
Yeah.
So I ended up coming across this mob in Austria that made these manifolds, and they were unbelievable. Like, even like all the welds, everything just looks amazing. And I got chatting with them for a little bit, and I finally thought, I'm just gonna pull the trigger and buy
Like
one.
the bullet.
So I bought one. It cost me about $2.5 grand.
Yeah.
And then one of my friends, Cam, installed it all for me. And yeah, we basically put a HKS muffler on it, because at one stage it was literally just a straight pipe with a little hot dog in the middle.
Yeah.
So we put the HKS muffler on, changed it to the HPS manifold, and tell you what, sound is incredible.
Yeah.
Paul Walker, eat your heart out.
Yeah. Yeah, the dose is so good. That is like exactly the JDM dose noise you want. Like,
Can't beat it.
hell yeah, that's the best. Yeah. What a noise, bro.
Yeah,
That's the rolling anti-lag, eh?
that's the rolling in.
Hell yeah.
Getting it, they're little weapons.
Oh man, it's that dose. Still pushes you back in the seat.
Yeah.
100%, 2 liter or not, like it still goes, man.
Up the little 20.
Oh hell yeah. Now 0 to 100. Let's test this out. So we're gonna go full stop. Reset. Good to go. 6.5. Bro, but it's hard, like getting that initial. I can tell you took it a little bit easy right at the start, because
well, it's still only a 20 box.
Yeah.
So I've got to.
You don't want to fully destroy it. Yeah.
I can do it again if I get on the handbrake a little bit.
Totally up to you, bro.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's.
We'll do one more. Fuck it.
Yep.
Bit of burnout.
Yeah.
God damn.
Nah. But
That's
hey,
all right.
I reckon you definitely be. It's boxed.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
you got to take it somewhat carefully, and rear wheel drive, man. Even though you got those 285s, man,
It
you can
still
tell
spins
it
them.
still lights them up, eh?
Yeah.
It's like-
I think that's probably the first time ever that I've actually like kind of got on it.
From
in first
standstill,
time.
yeah. Oh man. That's sick, though.
Once we get the 25 box in, we'll have to do it again.
Oh yeah, bro. That'll definitely go quicker than 100%,
Yeah.
man. Oh man. Mate, again, you got a what's that clothing brand you have, eh?
Yeah, we do. We've actually got an automotive-inspired clothing label called Turbo Threads.
Yeah,
So
mad.
we've been up and running for about 3 years. So it's more kind of like streetwear apparel, but sort of based all around sort of automotive culture.
Yes.
So
Oh,
yeah,
killer, man. Well, we'll leave a link for him down below, guys. So if you want to check it out, yeah, links down below. And yeah, bro, already just like cruising, you can tell this thing's put together well. Like for a car that's as old as I am, basically, 30-year-old car.
Yeah.
Yeah, no rattles other than this thing. Like everything feels tight, nice shift.
Basically had all the bushes have all been done. Obviously, brand new coilovers.
Yeah.
Just down to every little thing, you know, like tie rod ends and just all the little things that
the little things that add up.
It seriously makes a massive difference.
But
like,
it absolutely, that's the biggest difference, man. But nah, this thing is too good, man. Like.
you never get sick of that noise.
No, it's so nice. That's the thing too. I'm like, you look at the rev counter, but it's like, no, you're like 8,000, but like, it just wants to rev. It really does want to rev.
Go more. Go for it, man. Rev it out. Third gear's where it's at.
Yo, bro, that's so good, man. You're exactly right. When you rev it out, man, it starts like da-da-da, like
so many times. Like even after I built it, I was so third gear. I'd be like, oh yeah, that's enough. And then one of my mates, Austin, he was kind of like street tuning it as well. He's like, man, what are you doing? He's like, you're coming off it way too early. He's like, keep your foot planted. I'm like, man, it sounds like it's gonna blow up.
Yeah, absolutely.
Just keeps going.
Absolutely right, bro. I was like kind of listen. I always listen to them, but it's like, nah, like it's so much more.
Yeah.
You look at the RPM gauge, but it's like, don't even look at that. Just,
Definitely.
Bro, that's the thing as well, I'll say with GTSTs, like, same with 33s, like 34s. They're such a fun street car. Like, being rear-wheel drive, manuals, like, they're just playful. And, like, just like that, like, full send it, like, you got a gate.
It's funny.
You not only have 300 horsepower, but it's like, it is
fun.
the funnest 300 horsepower you're gonna have.
For sure.
And they're so fun because the light, rear-wheel drive, so, you know, you're not actually getting all that traction, which, to be honest, you don't really want it. Like, you know what I mean?
Which
like,
we figured out before.
like, you really want all that traction? Nah. And, yeah, they're just a real playful chassis. Like,
They are very nimble.
super nimble, super fun. So good, man. Yeah, and like I feel like you've got it at a really good setup where if you hold it, it will kind of break out.
Yeah.
But like it's still safe. Like this thing feels. It still feels safe if you've got some common sense. You know what I mean? Like
that's the thing. You just got to have common sense. That's all.
Huge. Thank you, brother.
Thanks for having me on the channel, man. It's been great.
Unreal build. Like to see an RB20 like this, it's not often. So yeah, this is killer, brother.
Thank you very much,
Killer.
bro. Much appreciated.
Guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe. See you on that next one.